Today on Motive Learn. Have you ever asked yourself why we sometimes act as our own worst enemy? It's an intriguing paradox, isn't it? Stick around to the end of the video, and we will give you our #1 bonus tip to avoid self-destruction. Welcome to the perplexing world of self-sabotage, where our own actions and decisions become the unseen adversaries standing between us and our goals. Let's dive into the life of John. John is a talented artist. He's been painting since he was a child, and his work is nothing short of extraordinary. However, John never showcases his work. He never enters art competitions or even considers selling his art. He's afraid of rejection, of people not appreciating his work, and this fear holds him back. That's self-sabotage. Consider Sarah, a brilliant entrepreneur with innovative ideas. She's the driving force behind her startup, but she constantly doubts her ability to lead. She refuses to delegate tasks, believing she's the only one who can do them right. Consequently, she's overworked, her business is stagnating, and her team feels undervalued. That's self-sabotage. But why does self-sabotage occur? It often stems from a fear of failure or success, low self-esteem, or a comfort in familiar patterns, even when they're detrimental to our well-being. It's a subconscious safety net that keeps us in our comfort zones, preventing us from facing potential failures or disappointments. So, how can we overcome self-sabotage? Firstly, recognize it. Awareness is the first step towards change. It's important to identify patterns of self-defeating behavior. Are you like John, hiding your talents due to fear of rejection? Or are you like Sarah, overburdening yourself because you're afraid to trust others with your vision? Secondly, challenge your self-limiting beliefs. Our beliefs shape our behavior, and if we believe we're not good enough, we'll act accordingly. Start affirming your worth and capabilities. Remember, you're more resilient and capable than you give yourself credit for. Thirdly, set realistic goals. One of the reasons we sabotage ourselves is because we set unattainable goals and then get overwhelmed. Set smaller, achievable goals and celebrate each milestone. Lastly, seek professional help if needed. There's no shame in seeking help. Sometimes the roots of self-sabotage run deep and may require professional assistance to untangle. In essence, self-sabotage is a complex issue, but it's one we can overcome by recognizing it, challenging our self-limiting beliefs, setting realistic goals, and seeking professional help when necessary. So, next time you find yourself standing in your own way, remember John and Sarah. Remember that every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory over self-sabotage. And remember, you are your biggest ally on the journey to achieving your dreams. As we wind down our discussion on self-sabotage, we'd like to leave you with one additional tip. This is our #1 recommendation for combating self-destructive behavior. It's about cultivating self-love and self-compassion. When we're kind and understanding towards ourselves, we're better equipped to counteract the negative self-talk that so often fuels self-sabotage. Instead of berating ourselves for perceived failures, we can learn to see these moments as opportunities for growth and learning. Remember, each one of us deserves love and kindness, especially from ourselves. So, next time you find yourself falling into the trap of self-sabotage, pause, take a breath, and treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you'd give to a dear friend. This simple act can make a world of difference in your journey towards overcoming self-sabotage. We hope you found this video helpful and enlightening. If you want to continue learning and growing with us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. And we'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you ever caught yourself in the act of self-sabotage? What strategies have worked for you in overcoming it? Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Let's learn, grow, and foster self-love together.